Hi, everyone. Good afternoon, and hopefully everybody's ready for their wonderful Friday. What a fabulous day today. I think today has to be probably the best day of the week. Wouldn't you say? I mean, week, probably the month of March. We had a great February. March was getting a little slow, but I think today has to be one of the best days for the month. And we'll go over it. I'm not talking about the market being down 236 points, which it's doing right now. There was some huge winners. Pratish, easy for the month. See, Pratish, you see now, this is the experience that you're getting as you're getting into trading, because you know when to capitalize what's going on in the market and when not to capitalize on the market. Because most people will come up to me and says, "Oh my God, did you guys go short today? The market got killed, I heard." And you know, it's funny. I'll be in I'll be hanging out and be with a bunch of people this weekend, and they'll be talking about, because they know I'm big in the market, and as a trader, I'm like, "Oh, the market didn't do too well this week, right?" Yeah, I mean, look at that. The market was down. What are we down, like almost 1,000 points? I mean, aren't you? Because they love to they assume that you're losing money and not making money. I'm like, are you kidding me? Today was phenomenal. We had a great month. They're full off their chair. Like, what have you been smoking? But anyway, let's talk about some of the great winners today. Let's talk about that great trade on FXCM. You know, I did an event today, this morning, and I know a lot of you guys were here this morning, actually attended the free webinar. And by the way, thank you so much for the testimonials that you guys put in there. It does mean a lot to me, but I'm just, and it also makes people realize how important education is. And I know we have a bunch of new trial members, and guys, welcome, hopefully welcome aboard, and sit back and enjoy the ride for your trial. You're going to see a lot of really cool stuff. But the thing is that, here you are. I show them how to make literally thousands of dollars on a trade, and you could just see the ignorance of some people out there, because you know what? In my mind, I would assume all 200 people that were in there would be signed up. Now, granted, it's not for everybody, but at least half would sign up, right? Well, this shows you who your competition is. So when you go out there in trading and be like, no wonder why people are losing money. You show somebody how to make a few $1,000 and they pay $29 for a trial and they still not convinced. That's the team. That's the team I want to play against. Where's that guy? What stock is he in? Because that's the one I want to get in. But so it was great that you guys were in there and you see it. Now let's talk about some of these stocks. There was some great movers. That FXCM trade. Listen, not only was it a great day trade, but it's been a great swing trade. So I know that a lot of you guys held it. I know you're long with me. I own a lot of shares of it. I told you this a long time ago. I know the company very well. I know they'll pull themselves out of it, and it worked out well. So that's a huge positive sign what happened today in FXCM. But FXCM was not the big winner. The big winner was AMRN, and by the way, every one of these stocks were in the morning picks. Hopefully, and I'll put the announcement, what was there. Let me put the announcement for you. This was this morning that I gave you guys out. So you can see right there, the AMRN was a very, very nice trade. Nice, slow, went from 245, it's at 295. I still like it. So I want you to, FXCM is a good swing trade right now. It's not a good stock to trade in the afternoon, but the AMRN, I'm expecting all of you guys to be pretty aggressive on that one, because that one looks really, really nice, very strong, cheap, level 1 stock, everything that we're looking for. So that one is doing pretty well. A couple other ones that we did find also this morning, LL, that one, the short, it's going right back down again, so I know some of you guys have been shorting on that one. ITG, that one had a nice quick little pop due to news that happened right before 1 o'clock. Not too crazy about it right now. Okay, but she was pretty good there. And the really nice one was the LOCO. That one was awesome. That's the one I showed everyone a lot of money, the big winner that I had. But that one went from 26 to 27.70. That had a nice little move this morning. Not a nice stock right now, but great pre-market, great everything. They were talking about it on CNBC when Kramer came on, was talking about it. Boom, the thing ran like 30 cents. So that was pretty interesting. And also the Shake Shack, I know I talked about that one too. That's been a good swing trade also on our picks. JetBlue, been a fan of that one too. Talking about that this morning. That was a morning pick. That once again, as long as oil keeps dropping, airlines are going to keep flying. And then the other big winner that I did give you this morning, and once again, it's I didn't put it on that one. Actually, it was one before. But I did tell you about fiat. I still like fiat. I own it as a swing trade, as an investment. And also, it's been great for day trading, too. So you could see that thing is breaking all-time highs. Fiat is an IPO. It just came public back in October. So really, really cheap stock. Listen, this is the way I look at it. If you thought you liked Tesla, you should be drooling buying fiat at $16, okay? At least fiat, I think, I know we have some Europeans here, but fiat has to be, I think fiat's the biggest car company in the world, Fiat, if I'm almost positive. So they did spin off Ferrari. I guess Ferrari didn't want nothing to do with fiat anymore. So, by the way, look out for Ferrari to go public too. That's going to be a hell of a stock too. I heard they're going public. All right, so now looking what's going on this afternoon. So far we got two of them, AMRN and FCAU. What also is on the pick right here is I did like this pharmaceutical stock, but she's like a level 4. She's look at the spread, very big, very ugly. So I'm going to kind of scratch that one right now. It is Friday, so it's not really that much out there that we want to get too cocky and greedy on certain stocks out there. I know you did very well this morning. A lot of you are already gone for the day. So, we probably, I think like almost 50, at least 30-40% of the traders are not even here right now, so which is a good sign. That's what it's all about. This one also, another pharmaceutical stock, GWPH, strong, Fausto flag everywhere. Spread is just too big of a stock. Way, way too much out of our league. So I don't want you guys to get in trouble in something when you get big spreads. This one, BIOS, we've done very well with this in the past. Took a huge hit, BIOS. Looks like she's starting to make a little bit of a bounce right here. I'm actually going to put it right here, BIOS. That one looks like it could be good going in the afternoon. Everyone could afford to trade BIOS. I think that's up everyone's shoes. Sears, Hometown, and Outlet. What the hell is that? That's not Sears, the Sears store, is it? Because I didn't remember Sears being down at $9. It's a spinoff. All right, it's a spinoff. Well, it's not spinning too well, if you ask me. But I'm going to scratch on that one. CTIC was a nice little winner. Once again, once they always make the gainers, they always make the losers. There's the BIOC that we made a lot of money on. Went from $1 to $5, right back down. Just like CTIC, they all make the losers list. That's why you don't hold overnight positions. All right, so I'm done right there on the NASDAQ losers. Didn't see anything exciting. FXCM, I have it on my list. That one we already know about. This one is doing great, okay? This one, I don't even know the name of this company because it's not coming up. But it's AMPE. Nice trend, nice going up. Things been really, really hot within the past 2 weeks. So this one is definitely a nice stock. It's a level 2 stock though, so please keep that in mind. Investment technology, we already know about that one. I'm going to scratch that one right now. Not a stock that we like going into this close. And on the losers list, any dead cat bounces? I didn't really see anything that looked pretty good. Really nothing there. That's about it. All right, guys. So I think we got everything. Small list, 1, 2, 3, 4 stocks, which is more than enough for a Friday afternoon. So you could play around with some of these, see how they work out. If not, I'll see you back here on Monday. For some of you that are trial members, don't forget, call the office and make sure you talk to your education advisor. Every one of you should have been assigned one. You should have got an email on it, know a little bit more about it before it's too late. And in the meantime, if you have any questions, you guys have my personal email address. Please contact me. Anything I'm missing, by the way? Anything I didn't call before we go, just to make sure? Anything that I did not call out? Nope. All right, guys, listen, good luck today. Have some fun. Enjoy your weekend. You got about an hour, less than an hour, a little bit more than an hour to trade the last 30 minutes. See how it works out. If nothing works out, I'll see you back here on Monday. All right, everyone, enjoy the rest of your week. Happy trading.